Professor Nisar Iqbal, Registrar, University of Kashmir, Professor Dr. Ghulam Hassan Yattu, Head Department of Hospital Administration Schemes, Dr. Afroz Haider Rizvi, Regional Director, IGNO Regional Center, Srinagar, Dr. Zafar Iqbal, Composite Regional Center, Srinagar, Dr. Ijaz Ahmed, Regional Director, Maulana Azad National Open University, coordinators from various study centers, Assistant Regional Director, Dr. Muhammad Abdullah, staff members from Regional Center, Srinagar, and my dear students, I welcome wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Actually, the purpose of our gathering here is just, I have already discussed with you, we have a couple of events today which will be organized here in this very auditorium. One is the book release function, which we call it as an achievements for year 2024-2025. So that will be released in a very couple short minutes from now. And the next event which we have already witnessed will be the induction program for the newly enrolled learners for January 2025 admission session. So before this, may I request our respected regional director, Dr.
Assalamu alaikum. Honorable guest, Professor Ashraf Gharai Sahab, Director, Sikkim. He will be joining us very soon. Chief guest of today, Professor Dr. Janab Nasir Iqbal Sahab, Registrar of Kashmir University. Dr. Janab Ghulam Hassan Yattu Sahab, Head Department of Hospital Administration, Sikkim. Zafar Iqbal Sahab, In Charge Head, CRC, Bemina. Regional Director Manu, my friend Ijaz Ashraf Sahab. Coordinators, honorable coordinators from Ganderbal and other assistant coordinators. My colleague, assistant regional directors, other officers, media personnel, and dear students. Today, I am happy to have a get-together not only for our induction program, but to celebrate our success story, achievement of Regional Center Srinagar of Indira Gandhi National Open University 2024-25. The achievements in the form of a book will be released very soon. The population of India is approximately 140 crores. Every citizen has a right to get education, even the higher education. The government of India has set the target of gross enrollment ratio in the higher education 50% by 2035. Today, the gross enrollment ratio in the higher education is 24 to 26% only. Conventional mode of institutions, I doubt that conventional mode of institutions are not in a position to fulfill the set target of 50% by 2035 due to limited number of seats and infrastructure. There's only one and alternative mode of education is open and distance learning mode of education, through which most of the Indians may get the enrollment in the higher education. Not only ODL mode of education, but the concept of online mode of education, as well as the concept of the virtual university has been emerged. We must accept the challenges. We must accept the change, because the change is the law of the nature. Change is the first footstep for the success of a human being. Distance learning mode of university in India, that is a national university. There are other universities, 14 to 15 universities across the nation. We must welcome such mode of the institutions and the universities. You must be surprised to know that today more than 35 lakhs students are enrolled with Indira Gandhi National Open University. It is in African countries from E-Vidya Bharati project from Regional Center Srinagar. Dear learners, we are achieving the success. Just to convert this success into the book form, we have tried to provide the quality education and put all the facts and figures, whichever I tried, within the 100 pages in this book. That is open and distance education, emerging trends and global perspective. That is available on Amazon. I have attempted to cover all the conceptual factors of all the universities across the world, premier universities in the world. You may please go through if you are willing to. You will be surprised to know that today there are 25 crores, more than 25 crores students are enrolled in school education every year. So how could these students get enrollment in the higher education? That is a great challenge with us. Regional center across the India. We are educating the lakhs of the students. We are not going to detail about the Indira Gandhi National Open University because every one of you are aware of. But the fact is, Regional Center Srinagar itself is working a lot for the Kashmir Valley learners. And the students of the Kashmir Valley trust in, believe in, they have enough potential, they enroll here. You must be surprised to know that there is a trend of enrolling more than 50,000 students with Regional Center Srinagar at 30 regional active learner support centers across the Kashmir Valley. Indira Gandhi National Open University, the Regional Center Srinagar, we take the geotag photographs of each and every activity which is performed at various learner support centers. Whether it is a counseling, whether it is a practical. You must be aware of the cognition, metacognition, critical thinking, reflective thinking. All these factors are essential in your studies. As I earlier spoke,
Professor G.H. Jitu Saab, Dr. A.H. Razi Saab, the Regional Director of IGNOU, Dr. Zafar Iqbal Saab, my friend Dr. Ajaz Ashraf, Dr. Shabnam ma'am, if I am right, other colleagues, Dr. Zafar Iqbal Saab. And we have been waiting anxiously for Professor Mohammad Ashraf Ganai Saab, who is yet to arrive. My dear students, participants, it It's a matter of great pleasure and honor for me to be a part of this great event. First of all, I am thankful to Dr. H. Razvi Saab, who called me yesterday on phone and late night in the evening. Unfortunately, I had not recorded his phone number earlier in my mobile. So he made a WhatsApp call, I avoided. Because usually in these days you never know that who is calling you. I avoided the WhatsApp call and then he texted me and immediately called back. So I had some other plans because you know that when you are working for the whole week and Sunday is only your one of the option where you can attend some other things. And there was some official assignment also, but when he called me and talked to me and told students. I was going through this book which we are going to release right now. I was just looking, I am happy to know that in 2024 the enrollment of female students is much larger than the male students. But usually I always notice it. I always notice it even in my universities. The girl students' participation in the academic programs is now exceptionally increasing. And for which we need to congratulate our female students, their parents, because it means that the mindset of the system has not changed. Earlier, before decades,
Mohammad Ashraf Ganai Saab, Director, Skimmers Sobra, Dr. Afroz Razvi Saab, Regional Director, IGNOU, Professor Nasir Iqbal, Registrar, University of Kashmir, Professor Ghulam Hassan Yatu Saab, Administrator, SKIMS, coordinators, students, a very good morning to all of you. It's a great honor for me that I have been given a chance to be a part of this IGNOU Achievements 2024. This credit goes to the Director, Regional Center, IGNOU, because this is a sort of motivation. It's a motivation for you people, those students who are just enrolled themselves in different courses. There is no need to mention the achievements of Regional Center, including I can say the University of IGNOU University. Dr. Rizvi has given the data all over the world, how many students are enrolled and how many have received the different degrees. But this year, let me give you one more information to you, all of you students, including the, and we, in Composite Regional Center, we are running the course since 2006, PG Diploma in Rehabilitation Psychology. And this is a regular course, and students are having this CRR number, that's called the Central Registration Register number. Under that tag, under that number, they can work anywhere in the world as professionals. So I personally feel that this is the first time the Regional Center Director, Dr. Razvi, has signed this MOU with Composite Regional Center and the Rehabilitation Council of India. So this is the big achievement, because we want the professionals. We want the job-oriented courses. As per the message of Dr. Rizvi is concerned, I was just reading that. What we need right now in the world, students, what we need? हमें क्या चाहिए इस वक्त पूरी दुनिया में क्या चाहिए? भाई अमन चाहिए. अमन किससे आएगा? अमन आएगा when we educate each and every person in the community. So IGNOU to develop such a personalities, educationally they develop the people, and definitely once we develop our community, there will be 101% peace in the world, not only in J&K, not only in India, all over the world. So we believe that we are supposed to produce such a
डायरेक्टर सिकमस, प्रोफेसर नसीर इकबाल साहब, रजिस्ट्रार कश्मीर यूनिवर्सिटी, डॉक्टर अफरोज हुसैन रजवी साहब, डायरेक्टर इग्नू मानू श्रीनगर, डायरेक्टर इग्नू श्रीनगर, जफ़र इकबाल साहब, डॉक्टर गुलाम सईद साहब, ख़वातीन व हज़रात, तलबा व तालिबात, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाह।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम व रहमतुल्लाह।
बरसों के बाद मैं कहूँगा, जब एजुकेशन के दौर में जब हमने अपनी आंख खोली, उसके बाद रिसेंटली सिकमस में इस तरह की एक्टिविटीज देखकर दिल बहुत खुश हुआ, क्योंकि सिकमस का जो अपना काम है उससे हटकर एकेडमिक एक्टिविटीज में इनका रोल निभाना ये खुश आइंदा बात है, क्योंकि सिकमस जो है इसका अपना रोल वसी है। सिकमस एक यूनिवर्सिटी है, ये हमें मानना पड़ेगा, और इसका रोल दिन ब दिन बढ़ता जा रहा है। खास करके आज की क़यादत ने इसको एक नया रंग रूप और नई जहत दे दी है। इसके लिए मैं सिकमस के तमाम मुंतज़मीन को अपनी तरफ से मुबारकबाद देता हूँ। दूसरी बात, इग्नू, या यूनिवर्सिटी से ताल्लुक़ रखता हूँ। यहाँ पे प्रोफेसर नसीर इकबाल साहब भी बैठे हैं, ये भी एक आला ओहदे पे हैं और मुख्तलिफ यूनिवर्सिटी में इन्होंने आज तक अपने काम सर अंजाम दिए हैं। हम डिस्टेंस में इग्नो को डिस्टेंस की माँ मानते हैं। डिस्टेंस में जो भी रोल मॉडल है वो इग्नो ही है, ये हमें मानना पड़ेगा। हालांकि दूसरी यूनिवर्सिटीज है, डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर है, मानव है, दूसरी यूनिवर्सिटीज भी है, लेकिन इग्नो ने जो काम सोसाइटी में किया, इस मुल्क में किया है, वो काबिल तारीफ है, इसमें दो राय नहीं है। लेकिन जो मेरा कंसर्न है, क्योंकि मैं 20 साल से एजुकेशन सेक्टर से वाबस्ता हूं, जो मेरा कंसर्न है वो ये है कंसर्न कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस हमारे दहलीज पे आ चुकी है, वो दिन ब दिन हमारे आगे कदम बढ़ा रही है। आईटी ने, इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी से जहां हमारे रोजगार पर आपको
Respected Chief Guest of the occasion, Professor Muhammad Ashraf Ganai Sahab. I think he's on the way and he will shortly join us. Director IGNO, H. Razvi Sahab. Then Registrar, University of Kashmir. Then Dr. Zafar Sahab. Dear students, good morning to all of you. Assalamu alaikum.
वालेकुम।
So this is the induction meet, and there will be also a release of annual book on this occasion. So all of us have gathered here to respect the dignitaries and esteemed guests. Sher-e-Kashmir Institute of Medical Sciences stands as the apex healthcare and medical education institute in the Jammu and Kashmir, known for its excellence in clinical care, research and academic training. On the other hand, the Indira Gandhi National Open University, we say IGNO, is globally recognized for providing accessible, flexible and quality education across the diverse field. So our Sher-e-Kashmir Institute is also working as a center for training the students, and I from the Sher-e-Kashmir Institute of Medical Sciences am working as a coordinator, and various training programs are being imparted from this institute. So the IGNO is a very important center for whole of the Jammu and Kashmir, and we are also part of it.
Recently, I encountered 2 critically sick patients. So instead of coming here, I had to go to emergency. While I was trying to handle one patient, some very important functionary in the government of J&K had his son and wife injured again. So we have to arrange some treatment for them. I put them in theatre, arranged everything, then I While I was receiving calls, I came back. So this is a very typical example of our life. And I think it happened, it gives a lesson to all of us, not me, only you also. While we are trying to study and we are trying to gather knowledge, we are also trying to become teachers, students, obtain skills for betterment of community. But this reminds us that every time life is not under your control. We sometimes plan many things that you never know what will happen next moment. And it happens, one can sometimes get involved in the care of others so that you forget all the happenings, routine plannings of the day. So that is what happens to me every time on Sunday. I plan that now relatives will come, this will happen, I receive a call. And I think it gives me a satisfaction that life without challenges has no meaning.
Because we are anticipating the guests will be arriving very soon. Till then, we will be just conducting the induction meet for the students who have been here since very morning. So I request my officer, Dr. Mahmoud Abdullah, to please come and present the induction meet.
Today we are gathered here for two purposes. One is to orient our new enrolled learners who already taken admissions in Indira Gandhi National Open University for January 2025 sessions. We are going to conduct an orientation induction meet for them. Second one, that is we are going to release a book release regarding the achievement of IGNOU Regional Center Srinagar 2024-25. So first of all, we are going to start the induction meet for our learners.